How to change Instagram cover after posting. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, navigate to the video or reel that you want to change the cover of. Say for example, I'm going to choose a random one. Say for example, this one right here. This one. Now, as you can see, this reel right here, it has a kind of trading platform on a computer or screen cover. As you can see, this is the cover. So let's go ahead and change it. Click on it, and once you are here, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner of the reel, and from this given list, click on edit. Now once you are here, you will see a picture of the thumbnail at the top left corner of your screen, and it says it has the edit option on it. So click on it. Now once you do that, this page will opens up, and from here you have two options. You can either select a cover or reel from your own video, or you can choose a cover from your device using the add from your device option at the bottom. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose a quick cover from my own video. So let me choose this car right here, or let me see. Yes, let me choose this cover right here. And once you have chosen your cover, your new cover or thumbnail, click on done at the top. As you can see, the thumbnail has been changed. Click on save at the top to save the changes, and by doing that, you will see that your new cover has been applied and it has replaced the old thumbnail or cover. So let's go back. As you can see, it's loading, and here the cover has been changed to the new thumbnail that we have chosen. So it's a very easy and simple process. Just follow the steps. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change cover on Instagram after posting. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.